Hey everybody, I'm just giving you a video today on this 2018 CFMOTO UFORCE 500 4x4. Sorry, it took me a little bit to get out there. I just wanted to make sure I said everything right. And I was actually real impressed with I saw this because I was looking at it and it had four-wheel disc brakes and power steering, it looked like. So this has power steering, right? Yep, it does. It does have power steering, which a lot of the real expensive ones don't even have it. And like the top end, even with the nicest luxury models, they just don't offer. So it's pretty crazy. This actually has a 60-inch plow on it, and you'll see a little short video right after this of it plowing. And this piece of equipment actually has about 1,000 miles on it, and it's a 2018 model, like I said before. They've ridden it a bunch on the trails. This is my neighbor's, and he's pretty impressed with it. I'm pretty impressed with it, especially for the build on it. It kind of has a Toyota-esque build to it. But anyone considering to buy one, it will do the job snow clearing or whatever kind of land you have. I would say it's good for a piece of property up to about 3 acres to do stuff with. Yeah, let me get some stats for you. So like I said about equipment, this has 38 horsepower, and it has a dump body, and it has the high-low range, and it has diff locks, and it blew me away, it has a horn, but it's obviously not on right now. I want the good audio, but I figured to give you guys a little once-over, and if you're in the market for one of these UTVs for around the yard, just giving you what it's kind of like and what kind of job it does for snow removal or whatever you're kind of doing if you're in a cold climate. So thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.